Welcome to Sunday. Yes, seventh day of the week, or the first day of the week, depending how you count it. Um, I have more of these AliExpress projects, if you remember. What do we got here? We've got this one with the blue board, these two with the green board. So I was going to build some more. Pencils all warmed up. So let's find out what we have here. Not exactly sure what this is. It's got a speaker. It's got a transistor. It's got two sockets and some chips. Some very bent resistors. A switch. A bunch of more resistors. A little edge connector. What that? Must be some secret chip under here. Who knows? Oh, three switches. Ooh, four switches. Some diodes, capacitor. Actually, is this a resistor? Yeah, that's a resistor. I think it came off. No. This quarter water. Let's see. Blue, red, yellow, gold. Nope. So that. And we have this. Our other diode. Two of those. Whoa, how did this move? Oh, get over there. There we go. So, as Adafruit would say, one Zener. Zener diode. Okay, then we have another strip of resistors here. Brown, green, yellow, gold. Just one sec, I'll be right back. This container should be over here, and if we look in our little container here, so brown, yes, Radio Shack, the store that doesn't exist anymore. At least I don't think it does. Green, yellow. There we go. 1.5K. So those are. Yes, you can actually buy these still. I have a newer version of it from Smaza Kit. You can also get from Canakit, for example, this. And Smaza has this guy. And this guy's actually geared for four color instead of three color resistors. We're not talking about the last color, not the tolerance color, just the value colors. So there is resistors with four colors. This is your classical quarter watt resistor with three colors, not including tolerance. And this is three color up here and four color down there, quarter watt or eighth watt or whatever. But I also got this from Elenco. This is the same as my Radio Shack version. I'll keep that card out. I should see if I can find a four color wheel card. I wonder if they make them. I don't know. Okay, that. I really don't need the static bag, but I am a bit of a pack rat on that, so I'll throw the head in and that. And we need the tool. Actually, this is the one I'm finding I'm using the most at the moment. So I'll have to actually give this really hands up. So what do we got on our board here? Lots of writing. Upside down. Urch. So we have a lot of resistors to solder in. 150K. or 1.5K. 1, 5, and 3 zeros. Sorry, 4 zeros. I didn't have the window. But that was 3. Yeah, 150K. So, all down this long ridge right there is 150K. So, let's just park our board in here for a moment. Like so. Get a lead bender out. And we're going to put a bunch of in. So 1, 2, 3, at least 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think that's where all the switches go too. Now, is this the bottom of the board? Or this the bottom of the board? I think it's the top of the board. Let's say the writing is on the top of the board. There, so I oriented the brown down to the bottom, so... itchy nose. Okay. Okay, one more to go. 150 here. Oops. Come on, leads. There we go. Shiny wires against shiny pads. One down, and there we go. Okay. So then we have, and I gotta take my glasses off to read this. We have D1 and D2, 4148. That sounds like our Zeners here. Wow. One. Well, it's hard to read, man. 41. Yeah, 4148. Even I, with my taking my glasses off, it's like seeing things large. Even I can't read that one. Let's see. We have a black line on it, and the black line is forward. Let's find our other Zener here. And we did it on number 2. And and we have our capacitor. Is that the only one? Yep. Non-polaric capacitor. So there we go, 104. Yep. Okay, so we have one more diode here. And they show it up there as D3. Bend the leads. And they would have me put it this direction. Again, I have no idea what this thing does. This is kind of a random piece of randomness. Okay. Now we have 62K, 270K, 270K. So let's have a look at these resistors here. Red 2. This looks like the 270K. Purple. Yep, 270. And yellow 270K. 270K right there. Okay. There was another 270K. So that's, yes, red, purple, blue. Can I get this a little tighter? And I did red toward that direction, so I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. There we go. Then they want 620K. Blue is 6, I'm pretty sure. If I remember correctly. Yep. Red being 2. Yep. And coarse orange being 30. So 6 2000. Otherwise known as 62K. Let's see. 620K, sorry. I don't know why I keep saying 62. And there's another one. So blue, red, yellow. Yep, blue, red, yellow. 62K. Whoops. We just put the resistors in the wrong one. This one is 60. This was 62K. Sorry about that. This guy goes over here. You are 62K there. And this guy here with the yellow on it. No, so it's the orange at 620K and the yellow. No, orange is 62K. Yeah, and yellow should be 620K. Yes. Whoops, almost put the resistors backwards. Okay. There we go. In we go. And down. A little bendy here. Okay, now there's another 150K. Which should be brown, green, yellow. Yep, 150K. So they don't usually supply that many extras of the part. Usually one extra of anything. Okay, so 150K, and I did it in that orientation. And we need that bend and that bend like that. Okay. So, we got all our resistors in place? Yes. We don't have our transistor. I'll do the transistor later. We have our switches to do, and our 2 chips to do, and then we have our pin header to do. So I think we're good to solder all these parts in place, like so. And of course I can't see a thing, so let's just move this a little bit, like so. Yeah, I need more zoom on the top cam, I think. I've been thinking about that. I mean, this cam here, and let's see, is what I'm working on. Okay, so, oops, one thing I have to do. You get out of my way. Okay, so getting through all the forest of legs, so to speak. Whoa. Whew. Didn't solder those two together. That would be kind of a bad thing. So we got 3 more to get at here. This one, and last but least, this one. And this one wasn't soldered so well. Let's up that one a little bit. And that one, a little bit. Okay, did I get them all? I think I did. So, trash can and cutters and glasses. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Mouse cursor off that. Okay, so no, I did miss one. Okay. There we go. So the mysterious object is being assembled. So I wonder what's happening in our Canadian political front here. I haven't actually been looking. I keep reminding myself I just need to go and check on which idiot should be in power at the Fed level. I think theirs is the one coming up first. Or maybe I just bring in a dice and roll. Assign each party a number and then roll the dice. Because that seems about get as much things done as anything. Almost. Oh, my back. Here we go. There we go. So I forgot one. That guy here, which is a resistor. Oh my gosh, I pushed the resistor completely out. Ah! That's not good. How did I manage that one? Oh, these leads are so soft, man. There we go. Now, it looks like I won't be able to do much on that resistor because the lead. Well, where's my pokey device? Oh, man. There we go. Wow. See, all these holes on these things are actually just slightly too narrow for a good fold on a resistor. And let's look at the transistor here. They would have us place it like so. Except I can't get the leads to separate a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oops. Get that over there. So we have one resistor leg and the two transistor legs. Okay. There we go. Okay, so maybe I should move the trash can over here. There we go. Okay. So all resistors, caps, and diodes are on. So let's do sockets. And the sockets go this direction. And this is one where we need, I think, to put it on the table itself to keep them flat. Push that over there for a sec. Yeah. My poor transistor is sticking up so far. Let's take those chips off. And we'll do it this way. Oh, we still have two more leads to trim out. Well, I just need to get the sockets started anyway, so. Let's see, we can. That's one socket started. That's another socket started. Okay. Sockets are in, notches in the correct direction. Now we can shift back to this tool. I'll need to, there we go. So now we've got the sockets in place. Now we can solder the rest of the legs on the socket. We'll just push up on the bottom corner of the other end of the socket just to make sure that we have a flush connection. So like this. There we go. There we go. Now we put the legs on. Come on. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Let's have a look. Okay, we still have to trim these leads off. And that big long one. There we go. All those are in place. Okay, so what goes there? Plus, minus. We have a speaker to put in place. Literally, a speaker has a plus minus? Yeah, it does. Hi, I'm a speaker and I don't even match the holes in the board. That's really good. There we go. Okay, one speaker is installed. Huh. Well, I suppose we should do all the switches. Wow, that's going to be painful. Where's my copper? Okay, so we're going to have to do one switch at a time. There's no grip in the switch at all. I think I'll get the leads on the switch in a moment. I just get the shells in. So we'll use our little copper just to hold the center leg while we get all these switches in place. Okay, so that's a crooked switch. Okay, it's another one. See. Wow, that's really crooked switches. Well, we'll have crooked switches because obviously these things wobble around in their holes big time. See if I can get this one straight. Yeah, that one's fairly straight. Well, we can probably straighten these out a little bit. That one's straight. This one here is a little high on the one end. There we go. Fairly straight. One more switch to get in. And we need a solder here. Oh. Whoops. That didn't hold. There we go. Okay, so straighten our switch out here. There we go. 4 switches. Okay. I have no idea what this board does. Really don't. I have to look it up on the order to see what actually I bought. I just like building these things. There we go. Switches are in place. So what's left here? Oh yes, this thing right here, and I suspect that goes. Let's put this on. They gave us this much. I suspect this goes here, like so. And let's flip it around here. And William, you promise not to solder where your fingers are. There we go. Yep. Yep. Okay, now we can do the other 3 legs. Okay. And then there was 2 down here, so we need a 2. Wow. So right down there. Now, of course, William, you're going to promise not to have your finger on the other pin, because that'll hurt. Can I? There we go. I think humans might have been invented with 2 thumbs. Ow, 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 ow. I just did that. What I promised not to do. There we go. What I promised not to do. And we have 2 leads here that need trimming. These 2, the speaker leads. Okay. Okay, so 4 switches, speaker. Then there's this board here. 19. Okay, what do I do? Okay. We've got. I don't know. What the heck? I didn't really get any instructions with it. So, what the heck do I do with this? Do I solder with wires? Well, I see the 2 right there, and it's like almost like this. So we've got Hmm. Hmm. Maybe I should figure out actually what this thing is first. Hmm. Okay. Rodent. Let's see. Web searching. Blank. And which one are we on? This one? Yeah. Okay. So no, 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 no. D Python. No, no postbag. Can we switch to the other Chrome? Yeah, that one. Um, do I have an AliExpress in here? Yeah. Okay. Here we are. Man. Hey, you guys used that one before. I swear AliExpress has more login crap than you can shake a stick at. Okay. Come on, sign me in. Slide this, do that, put this code in. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. There we go. So we bought no rotaries, chips. Nope. Uh, nope. Nope. Uh, yep. Nope. The Tesla coil. Nope. The bar. Solars. What do you got here? Roar kit. Did I order two of those? No, this thing just jumped back to the same page. Nope. Okay. Da 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 da. It's like I'm missing a purchase here. Nope. Nope. I think we passed it. Let's try back at one again. So rotaries. Rotaries. Definitely don't have that yet. Ah, here we are. So what is this? 16 music box 16. Okay, so um oh, okay. This is supposed to go like so. Okay. Wow, this is going to be one wacky soldering job. Oh, so they have wires coming out of it. Okay. See if there's a bigger picture of this thing. Nope. So there's two wires coming off the top. But we can see that they have that edge. So they have problem is I see that this doesn't really match up. So you know what it's supposed to look like. So it's like almost we need little right angle guys. And do I have that bin with all those? Come off the lamp for a sec. Coppers. I just sorted yesterday of a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just wondering, did I put those? It's all the wire. Display. Is it this one? No. Batteries. Yeah, here it is. This guy can go in here. And this guy can go, these two guys can go in here. What we're after is that. Okay, just a sec. So, back up here, light. Yes, I use my lamp to hold extra cord for this. Just a sec, I'm tangled. There we go. So, extra parts. And the other thing I built yesterday. Bolt. Another resistor. Okay. Okay, so we do have some corner stuff in here. Here's some corner. I thought I had another strip of corner in here. Aha, big long corner. There we go. So, wow, they don't even fit in. These holes are so tiny. I thought I could get away with one of these. Holy schmoly. Barely fits in. The problem's going to be, how do you solder this to this? Do I have to get some scrap solid wire out and do it? What a dumb design. Because I already put all these parts in. Holy schmoly. Can you do it from the bottom? Problem is the holes don't even match. Or do the pads match? Nope, pads don't match either. This is a case of is this my solid core? Mm. And we need a stripper. And a crimper. Let's see, do we have core solid in this box or stranded in this box? Solid. Okay. So we need a bunch of wire. About the same length too. And no, we don't need it wrapped around. Come on, guys. There we go. So we need some lengths. And let's do without the... So let's say this. I'm not going to do it exactly as they have it on the thing because that's just difficult. Okay, so another one. It's a good thing I invested in these rolls of wire. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it looks like we need about 7. Here's another one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And now I need my other stripper. Where's my other one? That's right. There we go. Of course, I made a mess. Okay. So let's see. All these guys. You guys can go up there. And we need this guy. And we need to prop up. Like so. Oh. Let's see. Guys, it'd be nice if we had a little pressure on here. There we go. Okay, so we need to stick our ends in here. And glasses have to come off again. Gonna be a lot of soldering. That's one. And you can't even see my shelf to put the thing back on the shelf. Okay, there. Stick another one in. Like so. Okay. Stick another one in. Nope, missed. There we go. Okay, come on. Nope, that didn't help. Trying to hold on to too many things at once. Okay, here we go. Good. Next one. There we go. Next one. There we go. Next one. Next one. Okay. Trash can, clippers. Okay. Now we have this end to do. So they would have us. Where's my glasses again? They would have this brown thing here down at this end. Okay, so and they're going through here, so it'll be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, let's start at the other end. I think I have to attach to here on that one. Okay. So this one right here. Okay. And then the next one goes into here. Okay. And the next one goes into there. The next one goes into there. Yes, I know it'll stick out a little bit, but I don't want to finicky with the fine tuning. And the next one goes here. And the next one goes into here. And the last, I believe, goes into here. This one might have to do like this. Like so. Okay. So according to the picture, the only one picture we've got of this. We've got that. So. Okay. You can go back up here. And that leaves the two chips to put on. And these guys can go back in their bin. This can go back in the bin. And clean up a little bit on trash. There we go. Trash. So that leaves the little chips that have to go in. And are they the same ones? 4066 BE and 41 BE. So 41 BEE is this one. And it goes in here. Like so. And Texas Instruments 4066B goes here, otherwise known as U3. Here we go. Now I have no idea how this operates. So what do I do next? So we've built the damn thing. And let's go back to our search here. So we've built it. What do we do with it? We have CDN5 here, ABCD and ground. Rig through the switches, the two chips, the transistor, the speaker. 9561. That's this. We can do a little trimming on this. I think I might have accidentally soldered onto a trace here. Where's the pokey device? Okay. Not sure on that. There we go. Okay. We're good. Okay, so then they had two other wires on here on the picture. So why were there two wires coming off here? Another speaker? Well, there's no other speaker. There's only one on here. And we need power. 5 volts? 3.3 volts? I have no idea. Absolutely no instructions. Okay, circuit principle. Da 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 da. Okay, so sound generating circuit, blah blah. 90 physics using Q1 and passive buzzer. Basic control circuits with 2 binary digital controls use for 4 kinds of working condition. Make it produce 4 basic acoustics required. Additional control circuit using the 4 states of 2 binary resistor. 4 different change states, 9, 5, 6, blah blah blah. Okay. Oh yeah, supply voltage 4.5 to 5 volts. So that must be through there. So if we do this, and we do this, and ground, and we do V, we did with our other board. And now we see if we can generate magic smoke. That and positive. There we go. So then we need a cable. Where's our there we go. On the floor. So okay. Now what? Oops. Are we off by one? Yeah, we are. Here we go. Well, that is about as productive as I can get. There's 2 more leads here too, but what the hell are they for? Oh, I think I have to do 2 more. Okay, just a sec. I missed 2. About there. Okay. And twitchy twitchy. Okay. Glasses have to come off again and put them somewhere safe. And can you see my solder piece? That's 1. And that is 2. Okay. Then these 2 go up here into here. Come on. There we go. That's one. And one more. Go here. There we go. Trash can. Let's try again. Okay, glasses. Okay. Let's try again. Safe, unplug it. So plus toward the speaker. Yes. Okay. Well, there you go. It works. Wow. That is one noisy little ugly thing, isn't it? Holy schmoly. This reminds me of those kits from when I was a kid. You get the little sound kits and stuff like that. Holy crap. Oh boy. I played with the dip switches. So here, I'll do it again. Yeah. Put that in, plus. Yeah. Play with the dip switches. Well, the last dip switch is not doing anything. But there you go. What a toy. Yes, sirree. There you go. One funky toy. What time is it? 10:51. I think it was a little better than the wavy wand one. Though I never noticed that it actually had text. So let's put this on here. VCC. And ground. So according to one guy on the net. Oh yeah, it is doing text. Oh yeah. You got to get the swing just right. Wonder what happens if you hit the switch. Yeah. Hit the switch again. Oh, brother. Gotta get the frequency. Hit the switch again. Hit the switch again. I think that's a Chinese letter. Hit the switch again. Okay. That was funky. So that was a light bar they built yesterday. The sound bar built today. We have next I won't do it now. I think I'll take a break. I have 10879 CO634. I don't know what this is. So I might build one of these next. Got a whole pile of parts, but it actually has a piece of paper in it. So let's find out what the piece of paper says. TJ5613 NE555. Something to do with a 555 timer. With lots of unreadable Chinese that I can't read. So that would mean I'd probably have to get my Google phone out and, my phone out and Google Translate out. So there is that to build. And I have this one to build, which is, I think, the light clock, the ring clock. Please read the welding course carefully before welding. Soldering. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a clock. Okay. And then I have a really big one to do. Yeah, there's a shell in here too. So then we have over here. This is the Bluetooth speaker making kit. Oh, my speaker's got a bend in. Oh, wow. Can we say that the speaker's metal is made of tin? Yes. But let's save that. So that was the sound box building, which I didn't know what it was at the very beginning when I was building it. But it obviously works once I got all the wires connected correctly. Except for the fourth dip switch. It's not doing anything. And I don't know why it's not doing anything. It's because I put a diode in backwards. Crap. I did put a diode in backwards. Wow. I'll have to fix that. Well, sure, put the... Damn it. That's annoying. That's probably why it's not working correctly, is the diode is in the wrong way. The fourth dip switch is not. It's so we're using, according to the chart here, it's supposed to be using binary logic. So, but this is it. I'll let you go for the moment. Might do another one later this afternoon. I'll build one of the other stuff. Maybe I can build 2 items at once. So we'll find out. So if you like any of it, want to make a comment, you know where the places are. I should not have to say this. Everyone who uses YouTube should know this off by heart by now. Below this video is clickable thingies that you can click. So off we go.